Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing both Gmail accounts so syncing works smoothly. Enable IMAP in the account you'll pull mail from. IMAP preserves folders and read status. Make sure you're signed into each account in different browser tabs or devices, and verify two-step verification. Generate an app password if using a mail client. Once done, you'll be ready to add the source account into the destination account or client. This initial setup prevents permission and delivery issues later. Now add the source account into your destination Gmail so messages flow in one place. In destination, Gmail, go to Accounts and Import and choose Check Mail from Other Account. POP3 is simpler, but IMAP via a mail client preserves folders. Choose based on your needs. Enter server settings and an app password if two-step verification is on. Make sure you assign a label or folder to incoming mail and set whether to leave copies on the server so you don't lose original messages. Finish by confirming that messages and labels sync as expected. Send test emails from each account and inspect the destination for proper labels and folder organization. If syncing stalls, make sure IMAP/POP settings match, re-enter app passwords, and confirm you haven't hit storage limits. Once you've tried those steps, clear your browser cache or test in a different mail client. If everything else fails, set a forwarding rule as a fallback. This single troubleshooting tip solves most permission and...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.